i-MC of the season. Okay. Now bebechaza bathi artist of the season. This prestigious award is awarded to the MVP of the competition, an MC who has been outstanding throughout the competition in season 3, an act who's been helping his or her team achieve greatest and also promises to do best outside of Hood vs. Hood. Nominates the artist of the season below by name. Ngicabanga ukuthi lo nto isobala nje uyayizi ukuthi umuntu owukapteni kahle kahle mithiwa okay coach babizwa ngokapteni kodwa fanele ngabe okapteni ilo muntu lo uyena yabo yeah ngicabanga kanjalo ukuthi basho umuntu oyistar se-team owenza i-team ivelele ngempela bo onale influence ye-energy ukuthi siyawina ngokuba ukhona u-showcase wethu yabo usilethela ama-point asile ngempela yabo. The next award, okay, best group kanje ngikhumbula kade le group Squadron OB ehamba noCelestial angazi noma bayigroup yini angazi noma bebeke baperforme as abantu abayigroup noma beperforma as ama-individual kodwa abantu engibazi ukuthi bayigroup Squadron, iBoom Bap Warehouse nabanye-ke engicabanga ukuthi uma uya lapha ama-videos uzofika ubathole ngoba angiyena umuntu oyilandela ngaleyo ndlela i-Hood vs. Hood ukuthi abantu sengiyabazi abantu abaningi ngibona nje benominate amagama abo kube ukuthi omunye umuntu ngiyambona la kuma-comment on Facebook mase kuyimanga ngimkhumbula so ngathi ngiyakhumbula kancane ukuthi kodwa angikaze ngibone kuso yakhe nama-videos bengaze ngenza isikhathi ukuthi ngiye laphana on KZN Lockdown Cypher page ngiye manje ngoba sengifuna ukwenza le video le because nakhona I'm not sure if ngizophumelela kodwa ngizomfaka isandla nami indlela thizeni so wena ungaya check lapha ukuthi yiphi igroup noma mangaka ama-group yiphi enza kahle kuwona lama-group but mina engiwazile engiwabalile engasibe-participate kodwa-ke ngidingala the best one la yabo une-chance ukuthi uhambe uyo-check ama-videos noma umuntu oyilandela indlela ukuthi every fucking match bukhona then umuntu ongasitshela into ekangcono ngoba wena buzwa nanomuzwa waserumini ukuthi lo group isenza sifile kanjani mayiperform yabo khona i-camera ezinye izinto engekwazi ukuyi-catch ama-perform abantu aba-more than one yabo because omunye ukhase ephume ebheka la nomunye ephume ebheka le mhlawumbe is part of i-performance into eyenza ibe dope uma uyibamba ehlweni le-camera ungazitshena ukuthi into emesa up i-performance kanti is part of into eyaba i-moment nemthwembu kumuntu owayekhona in the building so best group hamba nominate laphana first nje wakushiwo. Best newcomer, this award recognizes an individual who is new in the Hood vs. Hood competition season 3, being her first season. Also demonstrates his potential for long-term excellence within the hip-hop game. Nominates the best newcomer below by name. Abantu abaningi abama-newcomer obviously mongayo lo muntu athanda kakhulu angeke ngize ngibazi but bengibona lapha abantu befaka amagama nawe uma ukuthi umuntu obejwayele ukuthi athende kakhulu noma uthi mawubuka lapha ama-video online ubone ukuthi lo asiyaqala-ke lo siyaqala ukumbona and futhi ngazi ukuthi u-best kulaba asiqalayo ukubabona nabo. Bengibona laphana belake benominate kakhulu omunye umjide kubani Stone, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not naye omunye wabantu engisimanga ngiya lapha ku-profile yakhe ngibona ngathi ngiyamazi but I'm not sure. So yeah, wena umuntu engibona engazi ukuthi une-potential ukuthi angayithatha because abantu abaningi engicabanga ukuthi ngingayithemba i-opinion yabo when it comes to into eyenzakala la kwi-Hood versus Hood bebe-nominate yena. So angazi ukuthi wena ngokubona kwakho ubona kanjani. I-chance yakho yokuthi uwinise umuntu ofisa wine ukuya lapha kuma-comment for unominate umuntu ofisa wina. Best Female. This award is given to honor the most hard-working, consistent and presentable female acts in and around the Hood vs. Hood competition. In season 3, nominates the best female acts by name below. Uthi le ayiphathisi ngekhanda ngoba ababe baningi kakhulu abantu besifazane and maybe bekhona bebaningi ngani ababe baningi abadominate ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi senganzima ukubona ukuthi ubani o-best out of laba basuke bekhona. Cabanga ukuthi mhlampe-ke mawungena lapha kwi-comment kuzoba lula kuwena ukuthi ube fair nje, hhayi ukuthi usho into eshiwo lapha kuma-comment ngoba vele wena mhlampe awazi njengami ukuthi ubani ngempela since kade unga-attend mhlampe nawe kade uyibuka online awunayo ishow ukuthi who is the best. Ngoba phela mabuka amavidiyo lapha online yona into ezokwenza ukuthi ube ne-show uma ukuthi uyilandela online because that's why they post online benzela ukuthi kube khona abanye ama-followers online and nami that's why ngisupporta ngokuthi ngenze something online because I might not be there unless ngizobe ngikhona lapha mhlawumbe ngifilma ama-interviews, ngifilma ama-behind the scenes. That's the only reason engangibeka khona yabo, otherwise ngizobekile ngilindile la online ukuthi ngibone ukuthi ubani owinile mase phinde ngizotshela abanye abantu ade behleli online njengami ukuthi oh bezikhipha kanje, kanti bekunama-award because omunye umuntu uzobona la ukuthi bekunama-award. Best Male. This award is given to honor the most hardworking, consistent and presentable male acts in and around the Hood vs. Hood competition in season 3. Nominates best male acts by name below. Ticishe ifana nasekuqaleni futhi ifana nse ngikona nje ukuthi manje sekuhluka ubulili. Isho ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ubani o presentable ngaleyo ndlela, o consistent ngaleyo ndlela, olake yini nake ngitshela use predictable. Hayi abuye mtshini shaya impahla futhi uyitshena ukuthi hayi performance yakhe ayizoshona phansi this time, hayi aphinde futhi akusurprise futhi yabo. Yeah, futhi umuntu wakhona ombonayo cha nje uhlelekile clean umuntu wakhona nje uyile character afuna ukuyipresenta ngendlela e-professional yabo, enganyanyeki, engasabeki, engadabukisi ngalowo ukuthi manje unless uyi-concepts yabo, kodwa umuntu oyilento ethandekayo emehlweni akho wena ufuna ukuvota lapho kuma-comment. This award Khoshari. Ukhoshari ukapteni lo kade bebizwa ngokapteni ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu ofana wabo ubukapteni vele yilo i-MC of the year ngoba la kuyashiwo ukuthi ukwazi nokuthi atakule ne-team yabo. So la nje wakuthiwa kune-award ya-coach of the season yilaba ababizwa ngokapteni okuyibona abahlanganisa i-team, kuyibona abashosa kungene ba manje. Okay, uba njengoba manje befaka sifaka yabo because vele befanga bekushiwo kanjalo. Ukhoshari kapteni bashilo la basinominate the best team captains by name. Nje lento engichazayo ile ngisho ukuthi lo kunye fanga ngabe kule lo kufanga ngabe ngapha. Coach of the season award ibhalwe kanjalo. Ubona ukuthi ubani wena ngabe lo winile kwi-final njengoba i-final engazi ukuthi kube i-draw nje shuthi ungenzeka ukuthi u-coach of the season angaphuma kubona noma ukhona mhlawumbe u-coach of the season osheshe waphuma kodwa bumbone ukuthi lo i-team yakhe ukona ukuthi kodwa kukwazi ukuthi ungabe u-best ungawinanga kanjani. Shuthi u-coach of the season uzophuma kulaba abakwi-final. How are you the best coach but ushayiwe? Yini u-best ngawe? Yikona wonke lokunye abangakwenzi kodwa la bawinile sizokwenzani la? Sizowina ngoba i-competition. Angazi ngifuna ukuzwa ngawe mina ukuthi ucabanga kanjani. Vote lapho mfethu, mina ngizozwa ngani ukuthi ngiwese bani. Mase ngiyabuya la nenze lenye video ekhuluma ngokuthi nina, it's you guys enivotile nathi uba awina kwi-best lyricist, kwi-song of the year, best performance artist of the year, best group, best newcomer, best female, best male coach of the season. Mhla ka-16 eBet Sense njengoba ku-March nje, mhla ka-16 eBet Sense 2025, season 3 Hood vs Hood Awards. Idala kwena le ndaba, ingawe le ndaba, wuwe kahle kahle waziyo ukuthi uthi ubani o-best. Ungafuni uku-influence abanye abantu ukuthi abavotele le nto eshoyo. Vota lapho uthule phansi. Abantu abathi usho facts ngeke bakhulume kakhulu, bazovotela lo muntu omvotelile nawe. YC Live, follow me as Young Cannibal KZN on all social media platforms. Ngiyalincanya wafesi na showcase ngizonibona kwi-video elandelayo. Subscribe, press like, yazi like usiza ngani le video le izovela isabalala ivene kwabanye abantu ku-YouTube ivele iqhamukele. Comment ngoba mazi uma ukhomenta sikwazi ukuthi si-engage, usho na something engingakwazi ukuthi ngi-improve lento engiyenzayo. Ngitshele lapho kwi-comment ubona ukuthi i-right lento engiyishoyo, ku-right ukuthi ngikulethe le show le YC Live. Isho lapho kuma-comment, share nalabantu obona ukuthi ufuna bayibone. Press share lapho, press subscribe. I'm out.